SadoTech's LD sensor has two pieces and also has two methods of installation. So here are the two pieces, and the two methods of installation are the 3M double-sided tape method or the screw and anchors method. You will need a screwdriver or a drill for this. Also, locate an area where you want to set up your sensor, preferably a door. Next, let's start with method 1, the 3M double-sided tape. You want to start out by finding a wall or a door you want to install your sensor on. When you do that, clean that area so the sensor can have better adhesion. Now, you would tear off one side of this tape and place it firmly onto the back of the sensor. After doing that, tear the other side open and then press it firmly against that door or wall for 30 seconds. You have now installed your sensor. Method 2 is just as easy, but remember, you will need a screwdriver or a drill. First, start out by indicating and finding the slit on your LD device. To pry it open a lot easier, you can just use a flathead screwdriver, and it opens just like that. Inside, you'll see a AA battery and a circuit board. Now, let's look at the part we just popped open. You'll notice that it has two hole markers, one over here and one over here. All you have to do is, with a little pressure with your screwdriver, push against these markers, and you'll now have two holes. Next up, you will be using the screws and anchors that you were provided with. With the anchor and screws, you will push it and install it within these two holes you just created. You will now have a sturdy and firm back cover of the sensor onto your wall or door. Once you know it's strong enough to stay there, place back the other part of the sensor and pop it back in. Remember that the LD sensors have a unique shape that you should follow to when you want to pop it back in. Snap back in, you're ready to go. Now, with the smaller piece of the LD sensor, you would do one method. You would use the 3M double-sided tape. If you look clearly, there's a little line that shows that this small piece of tape goes with this small piece of the sensor. Just follow the same steps you did with this bigger piece and you should be fine. Finally, let's learn how to change your battery. Once again, let's use our trusty flathead screw to pop open the LD sensor just like that. All you have to do is pull out the battery, replace it, and now put in the new AA battery in. You'll see it light up, which indicates that it has now been ready and installed, and now you should be ready to go.